All of you talking about Christmas time already. Not quite there. We still have plenty of summer left. This morning, we're waking up to some sunshine. As we head through the day, we're going to get some clouds increasing, and we actually have some rain in the forecast for tomorrow. Now, I don't think it's going to be enough to put a dent in our severe drought in some locations, extreme drought in other locations. We are running at a significant deficit so far for the month of August, and we look at yearly totals. We're talking about rainfall totals more than 5 inches below where they typically should be at this point in the year. So we need quite a bit of rain to make a dent in that drought index. But what we are looking at is some rain in the forecast. Not today. It's going to be late tonight and more so into tomorrow. So we'll talk about that in just a minute. Let's get you out the door today. Upper 50s and low 60s this morning, 61 in Providence, 62 in Newport, 57 in Westerly right now, 59 in the New Bedford area, running slightly cooler than average for this time of year. Average low is in the mid 60s range. Yesterday, we made it into the low to mid 80s in most locations. Average high is now down to 82 degrees, and it looks like this afternoon we end up slightly cooler than average. What's going to happen today is the breeze is going to pick up. It's going to pick up out of the northeast, which is going to bring in cool ocean temperatures from the east. And that's going to happen for areas out over the Cape through southeastern Mass. Highs today likely only in the mid to maybe upper 70s range. In Rhode Island, most of us stay in the upper 70s to about 80 degrees. It's not until areas farther off from the west and away from the water that the temperatures will be a bit warmer. The dew points this morning are in the 50s for most of us, although out towards the Cape, out over the islands, those dew points are into the low 60s range, so a bit more muggy out that way. Most of us across Rhode Island in the 50s range, another very comfortable morning here in southern New England. So what's happening? We have dry conditions outside today. You're going to see some sunshine this morning. Expect increasing clouds as the day goes on. What I'm watching is this rain that's well down to our south, going to form a little bit of a coastal low system and make its track towards the northeast. Now, where exactly it lines up is still where the question is. If it drifts a little bit farther to the west, more of us get rain for a longer amount of time. If it stays farther offshore, the highest chance of some rain is going to be through far eastern Mass. We do need the rain. So we're going to go through things hour by hour here. What you're looking at is some clouds increasing as we head through the evening hours. By late tonight, around midnight, you're seeing some showers starting to move in. And through the day tomorrow, especially through the early morning hours, we have some rain in the forecast. Again, depending on how close that low system gets to us is going to indicate how much rain we actually are able to add up. That low drifts to the north as we head through late Wednesday and into early Thursday. From there, we get brighter later in the day, Thursday. In terms of how much rain we're looking at, you can see the difference. For areas farthest to the east, closer to that low, rainfall totals over ½ an inch, maybe close to an inch. The farther west you go, less and less rain. It looks like maybe about ½ of an inch for some of Rhode Island. We'll take what we can get. Again, it's not enough to put a dent in those drought conditions, but we could use it. Increasing clouds later today. It's a cooler day. High temperatures in the upper 70s range. If you're making it a beach day, we do have a moderate rip current risk at our beaches. The breeze from the northeast leaves a high rip current risk for eastern facing coastlines through southeastern Mass. So just keep that in mind if you're getting in the water today. Temperatures overnight mostly in the mid 60s. It'll be mostly cloudy with rain moving into the area. And tomorrow we have rainy conditions. It'll be breezy and cool. Highs only in the low 70s for tomorrow. We head into Thursday. Some clouds to start the day. Will get brighter in the afternoon, and then heat and humidity build back into southern New England.